Florence Nightingale, a trailblazer in the history of healthcare. During the Crimean War, Nightingale transformed nursing on the battlefield, reducing mortality rates. Her commitment led to the Nightingale Pledge, a universal vow reflecting ethical nursing practices. Nightingale's stats emphasize the link between hygiene and patient outcomes. Her book, Notes on Nursing, remains a cornerstone in nursing education. Her legacy thrives through the Florence Nightingale Museum and International Nurses Day. Have you heard about